So, long awaited. I got my exhaust eventually. I'm hoping it's alright. Because if it's not, I'm not going to. It should be. We have paper. We have a link pipe. I think it's link pipe. Well, yeah, it's got to be. Not sure which bit this is. Oh, just scared my belly. Not sure what bit that is, but I don't know. We'll have a look at it. Don't know what this is. It's interesting. Couple of these, don't know, ain't got a clue still. This, still don't know. This, I'm guessing, attaches it. And that might, I think, that might be the bung for the centre stand, but I'm not sure. More paper. There we go. Here's the exhaust. Here's the can, I believe. Bubble wrap. I might just leave it in that and put it on like that. What do you reckon? The right one anyway. There it is. Ta-da! There we go. Well, it's a bit shit, but there you go. Red power. So yeah, I'm going to have fun fitting this later. Yeah, I'll let you know what it's like when it's on. Alright guys, take it easy, ride safe.